In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily remove the battery, sticky battery from the iPhone 7 Red. Now you can see here the battery, you might have to disconnect this cable first, but once it is disconnected, you can find the battery sometimes can be sticky and hard to remove. The reason is because it has this tape underneath, so we're going to need to peel it off like this, and then we're just going to pull up the white strip right here, as you can see, and once you pull out all the sticky glue underneath it, that will allow you to easily remove the battery. So I'm just going to move it to sideways like this so that we can easily access the white glue underneath. Sometimes it can be hard to get it out, so this tape needs to be removed, and that is the only way how you can easily and quickly remove the battery. Now sometimes it can be sticky and tricky, so what you want to do is lift up the battery a little bit. Now depending on if you are still reusing this battery or not. If you are, you just might want to be very careful now, because this battery is quite old and I'm not using it anymore, so I can dispose it. Now you can see there is another tape down here, so I'm going to remove the tape over here first because it's quite important that we remove this one first, and then that will allow us to remove onto that side. Alright, so I put a tweezer underneath, and then we try to pull out this white tape. Alright, so here it is, it's coming off now, so just pull out the tape and pull out the tape. Okay, so that's one, and then there's another one over here. Alright, so don't pull too hard. If you pull too hard, what happens is that the tape can rip off and then you won't be able to pull it out. As you can see, if I pull too hard, that's what happened. So you want to do it slowly, then gently, slowly pull out the tape. We'll just slowly pull out the tape. And just continue to pull out the tape. Once you have pulled out all the tape, then the battery will become loose, and that's it. So that's how you can remove the battery from the iPhone 7 Red. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. So now I'm just going to replace the battery, the red battery. Once you've removed it, you can simply just replace it with another battery. Thank you for watching.